So now let's see how we can work around with fill layer option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So in order to work around with fill layer option, I'm going to go around over here onto the selection tool and click and drag around and make a selection. So now what I can do is I can apply a fill color onto this. I can choose whether I want to add in the background color or the foreground color. And the shortcut keys to do that is Control Backspace for applying background color and Alt Backspace for applying foreground color. You can see that I have a feathering going on right here, and that is why you can see the green over here as well. Let me just go around, decrease out the feathering and click and drag around, as you can see. And if I were to press Control Backspace, you can see that I have green now, and Alt Backspace, and you can you see that I have red now. Similarly, you can go around and access the same option by going into Edit and by going into Fill Selection right here. You can go around and utilize foreground color or background color according to how you want, or you can go around onto the Fill Selection option and then select out, let's say, a particular color of your choice as well, and you can go around, press OK, and that color is applied. I'm going to go around onto Fill Selection once more, and now what I'm going to do is you can go around and choose, let's say, pattern over here as well. So you can go around, choose pattern right here, press OK, and a pattern is applied. So let me just go around right around over here, make a selection, and if I were to go around onto the fill selection, you can also make it content aware right here and press OK, and it analyzes the content out, as you can see, just like this, and then it fills it out right just like this. So especially when you're working with a picture, this is much more better. So let me just go around and click and drag this out right here. And if I were to go around onto fill selection right here, then you can also go around and choose different option, like you can add in white, black right here. Let me just go around onto the foreground color now. And then what I'm going, not foreground, but background color, I want to apply green. And you can choose the blending mode over here to, let's say, for example, multiply over here as well. Press OK, and blending mode is applied, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can go around and work around with the fill layer option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe